Checking back in with meteorologist Jordan Smith in for TG this evening. We know it's definitely going to be a warm, dry next couple of days. We do have some relief maybe down the line, which is something to look forward to right now, Jordan.
Yeah, it is, because this weekend and late last week was definitely a hot one.
It's been a doozy, hasn't it?
We did. We had 3 straight days of temperatures above 90 degrees here in Lexington.
You felt it, that's for sure.
The mid-80s today definitely feel much better.
Feeling good, yeah.
And I have some upper 70s on the way for the next few days, or after the next few days. So that'll be good news. You can see here a live look at downtown Lexington thanks to our Bluegrass Payscare Skyview HD camera network. Look at the haze that's already starting to develop here. That is coming, again, straight from those eastern Canada wildfires. That plume of smoke and haze aimed right here at the Bluegrass State over the next day or so. Temperatures at 84 degrees, dew points at 53. So the actual feels like is 1 degree less than the actual temperature of 83. So we're not dealing with that muggy and sticky feel like we had the last few days. Temperatures area-wide into the low to mid-80s. 81 down in Richmond, 84 Somerset, 85 over there in London, 78 now in Jackson. Those dew points are feeling good from central and eastern Kentucky, but portions of south central Kentucky, it still is a little muggy. 63 dew point in Monticello, 64 up there in Somerset, so those areas still kind of dealing with that muggy feel. Now look here to our north. This cold front that is stretched well up to our north, that will begin to sink further off to the south here by the time we get to Wednesday, and that is our relief maker that is on the way. Also, Max HD radar is dry. We was tracking that one lone thunderstorm in Pulaski County, but that has since moved out. Now, here's that futurecast haze and smoke. Once we get past midnight, you're really going to be able to see that and kind of, breathe that in when you walk outside. Even into the day on Tuesday, those darker oranges, red, kind of brown shaded colors, let us know that the haze is going to be pretty thick. And then this is really the cold front moving through. It'll push off that haze and smoke to our south and southeast, with that cold front moving in there on Wednesday. So let's track out those temperatures and cold front on Wednesday. Tomorrow morning, out the door, even though it'll be hazy, it'll feel nice, low to mid 50s. So very pleasant temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Pretty much carbon copy of today, low to mid 80s and mostly sunny skies once again. Now, after midnight tomorrow into the wee hours of Wednesday morning, here's some rain showers finally beginning to press into portions of central and eastern Kentucky. You can see an even heavier wave about daybreak there on Wednesday. Now, as we head off into later Wednesday morning to around lunchtime, here's another wave, this time portions of southern and western viewing area here of the ABC 36 viewing area. So everyone's going to get in on some rain there on Wednesday, but it's not a lot. But at this point, we will take every drop that we can get because we are very abnormally dry, and futurecast rainfall shows that, most areas not even getting 1/10 of an inch, but there could be a corridor of some locally heavier rain that may get up to 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So areas that get onto that, good for you, because everybody needs a good drink of water. Now, past that into Thursday, Friday, once again into Saturday, we are in good shape. Temperatures that'll be coming down to the upper 70s to low 80s and sunshine. Our next front will begin to move in on Sunday and could provide us with additional scattered storms going up. So we'll have to watch that in the days to come. Back here in the short term tonight, 50s around that hazy sky with those pleasant temperatures tomorrow on our Tuesday. Mid 80s around, mostly sunny with that wildfire haze being likely. 7-day forecast shows those pleasant temperatures Wednesday through Friday. And then once we get into the weekend, we'll start to climb it back into the mid 80s with that scattered thunderstorm chance on Sunday. And then by this time next week, highs back into the upper 70s.